Test, test, test. They should be working. Everything should be working right now. So, guys, I'm doing a quick checkup. If we are live right now here, let me know right away in the chat if you guys are there. But this is, of course, absolutely crazy. Bitcoin getting rejected. And maybe this is going to be the opportunity that we will be getting our entry for our major swing trade position. So, guys, let me do some quick checkups. If everything is working right now here, we hear you. This is crazy. This is nice to know. Guys, let's head in towards the stream right away here and let's discuss some more price action here on Bitcoin, guys. So, yeah, what are we currently seeing? Bitcoin, of course, previous resistance, like discussed in the previous update that we brought out, of course, over here, flipping into resistance right now here, and even seeing more and more selling pressure getting added. And guys, in approximately 6 minutes, we are going to close not only this 1 hour candle, but as well the 4 hour candle, what is extremely important. So yeah, I will be as well give some updates here on the Ethereum price section, because I was just about to record a new update video here on Ethereum, but then I saw Bitcoin, of course, even moving further towards the downside, and I thought, okay, let's make a quick update video on Bitcoin. So yeah, we are creating currently a bullish divergence on the Bitcoin market here, but if we're going to fail to hold on towards this downward sloping support line, I will be getting a little bit worried over here. I will be definitely get a little bit worried for Bitcoin. Of course, in my opinion and in my position, it's a very good thing to see Bitcoin decrease, because if Bitcoin is going to finally start to decrease, I could finally open this swing trade position, of course, where I have been still being extremely patient with. I have been waiting on the sidelines till my initial target will be getting filtered. So yeah, it is definitely in my position a very good thing that Bitcoin is right now starting to decrease. So yeah, guys, let me see what the chat is doing here. Please do Uniswap analysis. I will be going over some altcoins in a second here. My bags are filled. Of course, that's a very nice thing to know here. So we appreciate you. Thank you so much for the support, and thank you so much for your help. This is going to be, of course, absolutely exciting, guys. The swing trade position is going to be very, very, very good here. And for all the people, I see some people right now ask me, Rover, can you give us some good news? I mean, fundamentally saying Bitcoin is looking as strong as we were at the 51k and as well as the 64k previously, beginning this year, of course. So yeah, definitely fundamentally speaking, there's nothing wrong with Bitcoin, but only we are right now going to see a minor shakedown getting created here, and this is exactly where I have been warning everyone for, because guys, wouldn't it be nice to see another leg down getting created here? And of course, on this next leg down that we are about to get creating, in my opinion, there are a lot of people going to call, okay, this is a bear market. Okay, this is the end of the bull run. Bitcoin is going to 10k. Bitcoin is going to 20k. People are going to say it once again here. And that will be making me extremely bullish here. And no, Bitcoin is not going to go towards these lower targets, guys. There is a run on Bitcoin right now here. If you're looking to the available Bitcoin on exchanges, it's still decreasing. So this is pure some manipulation going around in the background. So make sure that you're not going to fall for this. I mean, yes, we are going to most likely see another leg down getting created here. And on that next leg down here, you should be playing it smart. And once I'm talking about playing it smart, it is about all accumulating your positions on the right time. And I have been looking forward towards, and let me set my camera angle right. Yeah, this is better. So I have been, of course, already talking about it several times here, but yeah, I will be starting to accumulate my swing trade position on the 42.6k. And guys, patience is key, because if we're going to take it slow, if we're going to play it slow right now here, we're going to wait till the market settles down here. We are going to see a clear direction in the market getting generated, because yes, right now we are seeing several bullish divergences getting created here. And guys, in exactly 4 minutes, we're going to close this 4 hourly candle. But yeah, we are seeing several bullish divergences getting created here. I've been already telling to you guys, I will be not going to trade these bullish divergences, because yeah, it is definitely not a very strong signal. I mean, it is a strong signal right now, but we're still yeah, there's too much manipulation right now going in the market. So yeah, I definitely will be not trading it towards the upside right now here, and I will be just sticking to my strategy, and that is, of course, accumulate my position on the 42.6k, because yeah, that is, of course, the golden pocket, yeah, the entry target for Bitcoin, the golden pocket entry for Bitcoin. It is going to be likely that we're going to reach it. So you can see 0.382. We tend to almost always touch it before continuing the rally up here. So you see a move up, and then you see the golden pocket getting touched here, and you can move further. So please be patient. Please be patient with accumulating long positions. I have been already warning you guys several times about it. Yeah, Bitcoin is forming a minor wick right now on the lower side. This is definitely, of course, showing us a little bit strength right now in the market. But definitely, if we're going to, move even, it's definitely very likely to move even further towards the downside. So if we're looking to the different momentum indicators, the money flow index is right now suggesting a divergence. So the money flow index on the 1 hourly candles for Bitcoin is right now telling us, okay, we're most likely going to see maybe a pullback towards the upside getting generated. But if I'm purely looking to the RSI and MACD, they're telling me we are in a healthy downtrend right now. And I think the RSI and the MACD are the two most leading indicators that you should be looking at. So definitely, I will remain bearish on the 1 hourly candles. Yesterday as well, in the live stream we did, of course, and on the update video we brought out to you guys, we warned you guys about the hidden bearish divergences that we were getting generated over there on the 4 hour, on the 8 hour, on the 1 hour, on the 2 hour, basically every single time frame yesterday, of course, was forming this lower high here on the Bitcoin chart, while the RSI was still forming a higher high. So basically, yeah, we were seeing a bearish divergence getting generated in the price action. This hidden bearish divergence, of course, resulted in a very significant pullback towards the downside. This was, of course, very likely to assume and to see happening. And maybe right now, guys, on the next 4 hourly candle open, we're going to see a huge amount of volatility. Maybe we're even going to see such a significant crash like we saw recently. Of course, not in percentages, but I do expect that Bitcoin could go for a very significant leg down here. And on that leg down, we could be generating a very, very huge wick here once again, because I personally think, yeah, Bitcoin could be moving down and then, of course, shoot up very quickly. So, yeah, make sure that you're prepared for it at least. But I do think that we have to be clearing these last sellers before we once again can be moving up once again, because all the people that just bought around this range over here, we need to get them out of the market, because a lot of weekends we have to be shaking them out before and in order to continue the uptrend. So make sure that you're not panicking, because panicking right now is definitely not the smartest thing to do here, in my opinion. If you're going to panic sell your Bitcoin over here, you definitely have no clue what you're doing, in my opinion. Please keep a straight face. Make sure that you're going to do your right research. And if you know how the market works here, always once everyone is in fear, you want to be greedy. Once everyone is greedy, you want to be fearful. And right now, the fear is, of course, once again kicking in towards the market. So some people are saying bear market, please. You can say it for sure. I love to see once people are saying this, but no, we're not going to enter a bear market. So guys, in another 40 seconds from now on, we are going to close this 4 hourly candle, this very important 4 hourly candle like I've been talking about. And it looks to be that we're failing to hold on towards the support line. So yes, we are creating once again a bullish divergence on the 4 hourly candle, because if you're looking to the RSI right now, you can see clearly we are forming a higher low here on the RSI, lower low on the price action. But I will be for sure not open a long position right now, because I will be waiting for my target. And for me, I will be just waiting on the sidelines, wait till my order will be getting filled on the 42.6k here. But for Bitcoin right now, yes, we are creating a bullish divergence. This could be for sure resulting in another push up here. But for sure, I mean, we have been seeing the significant bearish divergence that we were creating over there. This could be in the end of the day, once again, a minor pushback up here before once again moving towards the downside. So in order to, of course, trade with low risk here, I will be waiting on the sidelines. And yeah, we just closed a new 4 hourly candle. We failed to hold on towards the support line. And this is, of course, as well an important line that I want to be seeing Bitcoin getting holden. And as soon as it's not holding it like we are doing right now here, I will be flipping even more bearish, because for the imminent short term then, of course, guys, you have to know it. I'm right now bearish, but it's because the only on the imminent short term. For the longer term, definitely not bearish. But the imminent short term, yes, we could be seeing another leg down getting generated. And for sure, I see some people talking about it. Yeah, it is Monday. It's Monday. And we were talking about it yesterday as well here. We moved up in the weekend, and then it's very likely to see a correction on the Monday. Yeah, we see this several times there in the market. So yeah, it could be maybe this minor big wick towards the downside getting generated, because yeah, there are still a lot of people and a lot of wills willing to enter around to 42.4, 42.6k, because guys, this range that I'm mentioning, the 42.5 towards 6k here, is basically a very important level, because if we're looking back to historical data, this level, first of all, has been providing us massive resistance here on this Bitcoin rally that we started it. So this is going to be a major level of support that if we're going to approach it. And second of all, this level over here was a huge buy and sell orders were getting placed on this level. So basically a lot of will accumulation and will selling was going around over here. And usually once you're seeing these ranges where a lot of big buy orders and big sell orders are placed here, it's going to be very likely to see a very strong bounce on it. Of course, if you're going to retest the support or a major sell chance if you're going to retest as resistance. So right now we are going to retest it as support, so I should be rather stay a little bit more bullish about this level. So 42.4k, 42.6k is going to be a major level here that I will be trading long here. And of course, guys, I have several I have several, of course, limit orders set up here. So if the market is going to move down, I will be adding more and more to my position. So I will be definitely not get liquidate. And second of all, I will be, of course, pushing my average entry price lower and lower. And a lot of people don't know exactly how these swing trade positions works here, but these are positions that are, of course, extremely low risk here because, first of all, I'm only using a 6x leverage here, and I'm ready to catch the next major leg here in the market. And for sure, I would love to get filled here today live with you guys, because then I can help you guys through it on how we're going to exactly approach this. And of course, I will be showing you guys my liquidation price, etc., and my leverage. I will be completely transparent with this trade. And in a second here, because always on 12 o'clock, my deposits are going to come here on BYBIT. So in an approximately 10 to 20 minutes, my last 0.12 Bitcoin will be deposited on this account. So I have exactly 1 Bitcoin on this account. And once I have 1 Bitcoin on this account, guys, I will be, of course, first of all, put up even more limit orders where I will be, of course, starting to, push down my average entry price. Second of all, I will be doing this 1 towards 2 Bitcoin trading challenge, and I will be once again completely transparent with you guys. So I can show you guys how I trade and how I will be crushing the market and crush the opposition with this major swing trade position. And probably maybe some people are going to disagree with my positions I take, because a lot of people tend to, of course, disagree with my position that I take. But I will be, of course, completely transparent with this trading account and with this trade that I'm going to take with you guys. So yeah, would be lovely if you want to be joining me. Of course, you can be finding right now the link in the description for BYBIT here, the highest link in the description. You could be signing up your account right now here. And guys, please don't ask me, Rover, when are you going to enter your long position if we are, of course, trading on 50k or 60k? Because yes, guys, it's going to be inevitable that we're once again going to set a new all-time high this year. And I'm personally have been anticipating it very strong here around this range over here. I've been very bullish on the 30k range here. I've been bearish on the 52k range here, and right now I'm bullish again here. So you have to be trading. Please don't attach your emotions while trading Bitcoin. Right now, as soon as the market starts to decrease, you want to be looking for very strong long chances and long opportunities. As soon as the market increases, you want to be looking for some more short opportunities, because then you're going to catch the big moves here in the market. And I love it to see that a lot of people are right now saying that we are in the bear market or whatsoever, because it's only confirming my thoughts more and more. And like you, if you don't know already, guys, I have been making a video here on my channel, and on that video I have been predicting that a lot of people are going to call the market a bear market as soon as we're going to top out on the 50 towards 54,000 US dollars, like we did over here. And right now a lot of people are calling a bear market, but what you should be doing here is not selling off your Bitcoin, in my opinion. Of course, I'm only buying. Of course, well, some people are right now selling. I will literally, the ones that are right now selling, I'm buying their Bitcoin off. So yeah, you will be making me only richer if you're going to sell your Bitcoin right now here, or you will be, of course, make the whales only richer if you're going to sell your Bitcoin right now, because the whales want you to sell their Bitcoin. And you have to think very well right now here, because you have to think this situation is different than 2017 here. In 2017, we were not seeing this huge amount of money printing going around here. And then think twice here. Is Apple, are these big companies, are they going to hold dollars on their balance sheet? Of course not. They're not going to do so, because those dollars have huge inflation, and Bitcoin, of course, has inflation as well here. But the interest, of course, in Bitcoin is exponentially growing, and the interest on dollars is exponentially decreasing. So please don't hold dollars. Just play it smart here. So people are asking me once again, what are your entry targets? The 42.5k is going to be my major accumulation zone for Bitcoin, aka the golden pocket entry. Yes, and isn't going to be a high possibility that we're going to wick below it, but I do expect that this is going to be a very strong average buying price. So the 42.4k is going to be one of the strongest average buying prices. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes set on this level. So let's see if we could be reaching it already today live in the stream. Guys, make sure to smash up likes as well here. We are watching right now with 1,000 of you guys, and we're only having 160 likes. Guys, make sure to go below the video right now here, and it's only taking a few seconds of your time to smash up that like button. Make sure to do it. It will be, of course, first of all, help myself very, it will be helping me out, but as well, it will be helping out the whole cryptocurrency industry, because The more people that are smashing up the likes on these videos, the more viral this cryptocurrency content is going, the more people will be getting exposed to crypto. But then let me talk as well a little bit about Ethereum, guys, because I want to be going over Ethereum, and I will be as well go for Cardano, because a lot of people are asking me, what are your thoughts on Cardano? I will be going over it because I'm seeing some very interesting things here. It looks to be that Cardano is maybe creating some kind of a double top right now here, so I'm getting a little bit bearish, like I of course already was yesterday, because of the, you sell the news, buy the rumor. But yeah, let me see what we're going to see here. Someone is saying October Bitcoin 20k here. I mean, I definitely disagree with you here. Usually I don't have the most popular opinion, but I mean, Bitcoin is just, if you want to be profitable in Bitcoin, counter trade emotions, and this is purely emotional, because yeah, maybe he bought the 52k range here and he got dropped off, and right now he wants to be seeing Bitcoin going to zero. So let me see. I will be going over my Cardano price targets in a second, guys, but make sure to smash up the likes before. So, Ethereum, what are we having right now for Ethereum? I see already 250 likes, guys. You are smashing it up like crazy. So, yeah, Ethereum, what are we seeing over here? So, Ethereum looks to be moving down. Let me see if my chart is loading up. It's not loading up here. Yeah, right now it's loading up. Finally. So yeah, Ethereum looks to be, of course, forming a clear lower high structure here as well. Yesterday, we saw a huge divergence here on Ethereum. Like you can see over here, we formed a higher high here on the RSI, lower high on the price action. This was a clear hidden bearish divergence on Ethereum. And right now, Ethereum is, of course, once again failing to hold on towards the orange box there. Very, very unfortunate to see here. But let me remove it for a second. Let me talk about the major levels where Ethereum should be finding some very strong support on. So, yeah, you can see this green line, the 3,143 US dollars. We've been already talking about this level several times here, but this is going to be a major level that Ethereum want to be holding. As well, what you can currently see here is that Ethereum has been forming not a clear lower low here. So we're not forming any bullish divergence right now on the Ethereum price action. But it looks to be on the 4-hourly candles that we're moving in a very significant downtrend right now here. So yeah, you could be approaching in something like this here. You can see, okay, Ethereum is moving in a downtrend. You want to be, of course, always straight with the trend here. And the trend is your friend till it ends here. And how you could be determining the trend end here is that as soon as we're breaking the top side of this parallel channel, you could be, of course, look for higher prices again. If we're going to break the lower side, you could be looking for lower targets. So in the meantime, yeah, you want to be stay a little bit more bearish than bullish right now here. So keep your eyes out on this. Of course, I set up several lines where you could be starting to accumulate some Ethereums around. This, of course, are lines from very strong previous support and resistance. And yeah, you should definitely not lose your attention on these lines right now here. And while Bitcoin is moving down, Ethereum is falling down even further, like you can see. Right now, trading around to 3,186 US dollars. Of course, if we're going to fail to hold on towards this green line, my next target is going to be the 2,966 US dollars, just exactly where we wick towards as well here. And guys, it is going to be very likely to see this wick getting filled as well here. In terms of, we have to be filling the liquidation. The liquidation has to be getting filled here. Sorry, the liquidity has to be filled here. I personally do expect a move down towards the 2,966 US dollars, and then we could be maybe starting to move up again here. And in worst case scenario, maybe we're going to go back towards 2,612 US dollars. Going to be as well a very healthy retracement for Ethereum, since of course, considering the top side, I mean, I would be expecting a 20 to 30% correction, and that is going to be somewhere between the 2,800 US dollars towards of course the 2,966 US dollars. So yeah, definitely think this range over here is going to be very strong accumulation, but of course it really depends on Bitcoin, how Bitcoin will be reacting to this this drop off right now here. So the only BTC channel live on YouTube. Thank you, man. I mean, highly appreciate for your support. Ibrahim SSA here. Of course, we are going to discuss the market like always. And if you're right now new to this channel, make sure to smash up the likes here. Because first of all, one of these reasons why you want to be hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification is, first of all, guys, a lot of channels were saying Bitcoin is going to go up in a straight line, but of course we weren't. I have been shorting the 52k range here. I have been calling for a massive correction, and if you don't believe me, you can see literally all my other videos on my channel. So yeah, we have been right now forming this correction, and on this correction, I've been as well predicting that a lot of people are going to call for a bear market. We're going to see another leg down getting created here, and on that next leg down here, the last weekends will be selling out of the market, and that is what we will be needing here in order to, of course, continue the rally up once again here. So yeah, not a reason to hit that subscribe button right now here. Don't miss out on all the trade signals that we are going to give on our channel, because you can see right now on the top right corner here on the screen here, you can see the legendary swing trade entry. If we're going to touch that level, I will be accumulating a legendary trade here where we could be literally enter all together. And of course, it's going to be very important how Bitcoin is going to react towards the level. But personally, if you look to all the technicals, it's going to be very likely that we're going to bottom out around the 42k range here. So I will be sticking with my word. I will be, of course, keep my promise, and I will be, of course, say where keep my money where my mouth is. So that's the reason why I will be as well opening an approximately long position here of approximately 1 Bitcoin, and I will be trying to trade it towards 2 or 3, 4 Bitcoin. Because if I'm going to open my leverage trade over there with a 6x leverage, and if I'm going to push it towards the optimize, it's going to be a 53% pump here. And let me do a quick calculation. So 3x 6.5 is basically 350% gain here. What means that I made 3.5 Bitcoin of it, so I have 4.5 Bitcoin in liquidity. So yeah, it's definitely a very exciting trade that I will be taking, and of course you could be joining me with this trade as well, and we could be crushing the market altogether. So definitely I can't wait to see how it's going to go here, and I've been still sticking with my prediction. Bitcoin is going to reach 100k here in the coming let's say 4 to 5 months here, beginning 2022. We're most likely going to see it. And if you don't know it yet here, if you're going to go to the Bitcoin returns, and I go over this every single stream because I want to be raising the awareness to you guys, and I want to be telling you guys how important this is going to be and how big of an opportunity this right now is to join me with this trade. And you have to sign up right now with the link description, but this is an opportunity that you literally get maybe once a year. This is an opportunity. This swing trade, because swing trading is first of all low risk, but second of all, this is an very, very good opportunity. Because if you're looking back here, and if you're looking back to the returns in the first of all 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, you know October is a bullish month, September is a bearish month, October is a bullish month. So what could you be doing right now is prepare for the bullish month here. So you can do it in several ways here. Of course, if you don't like trading, spot accumulate. I mean, for sure, spot accumulate. Just buy more Bitcoin, hold it. That's my opinion, of course. No financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. You never want to be holding those dollars. You never want to be holding those euros. But there is a massive opportunity to make several major double digits gains right now here. And that's a way of course, accumulating swing trade position. Swing trade, let's say swing trade only once I see and predict a very huge move of Bitcoin. So last time around on the previous rally, I was doing these scalp trades. I was entering trade, exiting very quickly. We were very profitable. Approximately 8 out of the 10 trades were profitable. And it's definitely very exciting. And you can be literally go back on the channel to see all these things here, because yeah, we are completely transparent with our trades. And right now I will be transparent with my next major swing trade position. And what makes me the different from all these other people on YouTube here is that I will be showing every single step on how I will be, I will be showing every single step on how I will be accumulating this position. So yeah, you could be joining me right now here. You could be still sign up here. You could be still put up these limit orders, but this is going to be an opportunity lower towards this level. But you first of all know liquidation price is laying around the 36k here, and second of all, you know, if the market is going to go down even further, I will be adding more to my position, and that will be resulting in my entry price to be pushed down here, and that will be once again resulting in a lower liquidation price, and that will be once again resulting in a even lower risk trade here with potential extreme high rewards here. So what I think is very important while trading is that you're looking to low risk trades here. And in the meantime, Bitcoin is even dropping off further, guys. I will be talking and looking to the chart as well at the same time here, but the most important part of trading is, of course, low risk, high reward. That's very important. Second of all, guys, it is important to look at, of course, low risk trades here. And second of all, it's important to have patience. It's just, I mean, I've been sitting on the sidelines right now for the past 5 days. I've been not trading for the past 5 days here. And the opportunity is coming closer and closer. But you have to be remaining patient. I know some friends of mine, they want to be trading every single day. So they said, oh, I already accumulate the swing position towards the ups. I said, man, please wait a little bit. But he said, no, I will be just buying more if the market goes down here. No, that's not my strategy, because I always want to be having the least amount of risk. And for me right now, to open a swing trade or the long position right here, it is not the least amount of risk. So I will be waiting for the market to move down ever so slightly for me to accumulate this major position. And I definitely can't wait to see how it's going to result, guys. We're coming closer every single hour, every single minute. Right now, we're only $1,800 away from our price target. So I can't wait to see this order getting filled here. So some people as well, I see them talking about death cross, golden cross. I mean, guys, I've been already saying it to everyone on my Twitter page. This is pretty funny, guys. Make sure to hit the follow button as well on my Twitter page. I was saying it earlier today. Guys, I don't get it at all, because I see whole YouTube right now saying golden cross this or that. And while we were having the death cross, they were saying, okay, we're going in a bear market. And right now we're seeing a golden cross. They're saying we're going in a bull market. It makes no sense. This indicator of the golden cross and death cross, not relevant. Don't look at it. I think forget that indicator. Even though, of course, the golden cross is a bullish signal, I am very bullish on the market. Yes, I agree that the market is going to move up here, but not off the golden cross. It's going to be completely irrelevant. Please don't look at it. I've already made a video here on my channel while we were trading on 30K that I said the death cross is not relevant anymore. It's based on previous calculations, and people called me stupid, but right now they call me a legend. So yeah, you can definitely decide on which side you're on right now here, but please don't look at these old indicators that are based off previous market cycles. And right now this market cycle is way different, because we have the institutional interest and we have the open interest, and that of course causes a lot of volatility in the market, and that causes once again here that these indicators are not going to be valid. So please don't compare it. Please don't use this golden cross or golden cross or death cross is not going to be relevant. If we're going to get another death cross, let's say in the coming weeks from now on or whatsoever, it's going to be irrelevant. It's going to be irrelevant. So let me see. You're doing a great job. Thank you so much for the live streams. Rolf, thank you so much for tuning in, my friend. So guys, let me know as well. Make sure to let me know if you're already subscribed to the channel. I'm very curious, guys. Who is already subscribed to the channel? Will be truly amazing, guys. We're literally, while I'm checking out on how much subscribers we reach on this channel, guys, I'm seeing something very interesting. So let me go to my YouTube channel right now here, and let me quickly check this, guys. Before going back into the chart, we will be keeping our eyes out on it. I see Bitcoin 44.2K. Have it as well on my second screen. But guys, we're literally 14 subscribers away before reaching the 59.5K. It will be truly amazing if you could be smashing it up right now here. So guys, in the meantime, we will be keeping our eyes out here on the Bitcoin chart to monitor if our trades will be getting entered. So someone is asking me, more ADA short term. I think definitely short term, you want to be getting a little bit more cautious on Cardano. And let me talk a little bit about Cardano, why I should be saying you want to be cautious right now here. So look at this chart. And let me remove all the drawings. But look at this chart. What does it look like? This looks like a clear double top. And what have I been saying to you guys? The day of the event. Excuse me, I had a little bit of a lag spike. Excuse me so much. Sorry for my lag spike real quickly. I should be back right now here. I saw my internet connection is sometimes a little bit unstable, but let me talk further about Cardano. So excuse me for this minor lag spike. But yeah, basically what I was saying here, Cardano is forming right now double top, and always once this news comes out here about a certain protocol release or whatsoever, the market tends to decrease. So is it smart to buy Cardano right now here? I definitely will be still saying the 2030 cents is a very strong level of accumulation for sure. But it is going to be... You want to be getting cautious right now. You want to be getting cautious. I did sold once again, like I as well told you guys yesterday on the stream, a little bit of Cardano once again here, because I do expect a market, if especially Bitcoin is going to start decreasing, Cardano is going to take one of the biggest hits right now. And like you can see, we formed a double top and we start to move down from here on as well. If you're looking to the 1 hourly candles, guys, you can see over here, we formed a major rejection by the stop side. So we discussed this as well in yesterday's stream here. Downward slope resistance line here, and you can see over here clearly rejected, and as well lower side resistance, support. As soon as we were failing to hold on towards the support line, we start to decrease. I mean, guys, it is very typical. Buy the news, sell the rumor. I mean, we told you guys yesterday, and of course, once again, once I'm saying these things, I usually don't have the most popular opinion, but these are the facts, and this is how the market just works here. So yeah, I don't like to, of course, say, yeah, you want to be taking some profits on certain coins here, but I did say it yesterday. I did say that I took some minor profits. Of course, I'm still holding huge amounts of Cardano because I have as well a long-term vision on Cardano, and I definitely think the long-term for Cardano is definitely doing very well. But yeah, it's definitely right now once again the right accumulation zone, because 2030 cents, this is my accumulation zone, this orange box here. So yeah, you could be starting to buy some, of course, once I'm talking about spot trading, you could be spot accumulate some Cardano definitely around these ranges in my opinion. But for sure, yeah, you want to be getting cautious with trading it. I don't think it's a good asset to trade right now here. The volatility is high, but yeah, you want to be careful, man, with Cardano. So let me see. What about AVIX Rover? Yeah, I know AVIX is increasing massively. We'll be getting over the charts in a second here. AD is going to $2. I mean, it's definitely possible, guys. You usually see these things here. Yeah, buy the news. Sorry, buy the rumor, sell the news. And the thing that is right now still giving me a minor chance of hope here is, of course, excuse me. the previous all-time high retest and the golden pocket entry. So like you can see over here, the golden pocket entry is laying around to $2.30 here, coming together with the previous all-time high. So yeah, you could definitely say, okay, this is a very strong level of accumulation that we are right now trading on, only 1.5 cents away from it. Yeah, the $2.30 is accumulation for, in my opinion. Of course, topside providing resistance, but yeah, golden pocket entry together with the previous all-time high retest. Definitely think that Cardano is going to see some more sideways action. Not a lot of price action, probably will be sorry, not a lot of volatility will be probably playing out here. And I will be definitely not expect that Cardano is going to increase towards $3 in the coming days very quickly from now on, because probably the hype has already run out a little bit of Cardano, and probably a lot of people are going to take some profits and maybe put it back into Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let me quickly as well have a quick look at the let me see the Bitcoin dominance right now, because Bitcoin is starting to decrease. How are the alts reacting towards it? And I will be going over Ethereum in a second again. So okay, my chart completely got screwed over here. So you can see, yeah, we have been touching our price target of the rising wedge here, guys. Like you can see over here. So the rising wedge was getting formed here. Price target was 40% here. And we exactly touched our price target, of course. This was a drop-off that we have been predicting, of course, on the Bitcoin dominance of 14%. And of course, this exactly played out. And once again, patience is key, because yeah, there's a daily time frame, and it took us approximately a month to reach this price target. So it was a pretty crazy price target. But guys, like you already know, after reaching a price target, you tend to, of course, see a bounce. And personally, I do expect the Bitcoin dominance to bounce maybe ever so slightly back here in the coming days before once again decreasing, because that is going to be likely. Do expect that the Bitcoin dominance could be decreased back towards the 35 towards 30%. Of course, 35% is the lowest point it has ever been in history. Personally, I do expect it could be happening right now, but before we're going to see it, I personally expect a minor pushback up here, because if Bitcoin is going to create right now another flash crash towards the downside, the flash leg down here, I do expect altcoins are going to take a massive hit, and that is the reason why you want to be always careful with your altcoins you want to be holding, because if you're holding more altcoins than Bitcoin, you always know that you're going to take a bigger risk in the market. So please be careful with these things right now. But guys, let me quickly check on how much subscribers. We are only 8 subscribers right now away before reaching the 59.5k. Guys, that's a halfway point towards the 60k here. So make sure, if you're right now watching this stream here, and if you're not subscribed to the channel yet here, to smash up that subscriber button right now here. Will be truly amazing if you could be doing it. First of all, you will be helping me out, and you will be helping out, you will be just help me out here to push this this channel towards 100k, because that is of course my end goal. I will be definitely not my end goal, it's my first goal basically. So yeah, will be highly appreciated if you could be smashing it up right now here. And while you're there, make sure to smash up the like button, will be truly appreciated. So let me go back towards Bitcoin in the meantime, not doing a lot of interesting things here. So you guys are as well asking me right now, do you have some good entries for Ethereum as well? So yeah, I'm looking for a swing trade position on Bitcoin, and do you maybe have some entries on Ethereum? So yeah, I do have some entries that you could be looking at for Ethereum. This is basically my horizontal chart. It looks maybe a little bit messy for you guys, but these are basically very strong accumulation zones that I'm keeping my eyes out on for Ethereum, where I could be starting to maybe buy back into some extra Ethereums. Of course, I already did 80% buyback here around to 3,400 towards $3,200 and $3,600, because I sold all my Ethereum on the $4,000. And right now I'm buying back. Of course, I used already 95% of my tether. So yeah, I'm already pretty good once again back into Ethereum. If it's going to be even decrease further on, I have to be maybe sell some more of my classic stocks and of my silver, etc., to buy back even further into Ethereum, of course. But in order to see that happening, I want to be seeing Ethereum go back towards the $2,900. And as well, for a swing trade position for you guys out there, of course, I'm going to purely focus my swing trade position on Bitcoin, but for sure, you could be doing it as well on Ethereum, but only Ethereum is going to be a little bit more high risk, in my opinion. So yeah, if you want to be, of course, accumulate as well swing trade position on Ethereum, you should be looking at the $2,900. But purely, guys, I just told everyone before, if you look to the Bitcoin dominance, it's going to be smart to accumulate your position right now on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is most likely going to be less volatile, because first of all, it looks to be, this could be a clear double bottom here for the Bitcoin dominance. This could be for sure a clear double bottom on the Bitcoin dominance. First of all, second of all, Bitcoin reached its price target of the rising wedge. So it is going to signify that the market is going to ever so slightly reverse. And this will be resulting in Bitcoin showing some more strength in terms of the altcoins right now in the coming, let's say, 2 weeks. So personally, I think you could be better off right now with trading Bitcoin in terms of risk management. And that is the reason why I will be as well only open a position on Bitcoin right now here. Yes, I would love to do it on Ethereum, but in order for me to open a position on Ethereum, I want to be waiting ever so slightly. So yeah, Bitcoin dominance could be forming this double bottom right now here. And this is a thing that you definitely want to be keeping in consideration, in consideration if you want to be accumulating your position on Ethereum, of course. So let me see if we reach the 49.5k. Yes, we smashed it up, and we smashed it through the 59.5k. So 59.5k, guys. We smashed it completely through it. So guys, thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. I see some questions as well coming in about EJLD here, but let me go to CoinMarketCap to discuss some coins to talk about, because you guys say right now, is EJLD too late to buy into ours right now? And I know EJLD has been, let me go to the chart just. I know EJLD has been pumping as well very significantly. And is it smart to buy? You're asking me right now. You maybe have to question yourself once again here, because you're asking me, is it too late to buy into EJLD? And if you're buying over here, I don't know if you recognize it, and of course I know a lot of people are new to the market, and I'm here to help you guys out there, and I'm here to help you guys crush the market as well. But buying coins, it is purely down to risk management. And is your risk management good if you're going to buy in towards a parabolical run-up? Yes, you could be seeing maybe another leg up getting created here, but is it worth the risk that you're taking for the potential low reward? Because it already is sitting pretty high. So that is a question that you should be asking yourself here. I don't think it's a smart decision to buy in towards EJLD right now here, if I'm talking about spot trading. Of course, maybe for the longer term, you could be still making good gains here. But then the question sounds here, are there better coins that are going to give you better returns right now? Yes, there are. There are coins that have not seen this parabolic run-up, and there are coins right now that can still see such a 355% run-up. But right now, you're, in my opinion, too late into the... Sorry. Oh, my sound is back. Excuse me. My sound just fell away. I don't know why. But yeah, in my opinion, you're just right now too late to buy in towards EJLD here. Yes, it could be increased a little bit further, but from no. As well, right away going to SK, because some people right now as well say it. AVEX, should I be buying into AVEX right now? AVEX, it looks to be completely the same story right now. If my charts want to be loading up ever so slightly, my internet is sometimes not the most beautiful internet out here. So let me see if AVEX, if the charts wants to be loading up. I will be giving it some seconds over here. And it is loading up, of course. Look, I mean, AVEX is looking a little bit differently. But if you're going to, first of all, approach AVEX, first of all, yeah, you could be maybe saying, okay, we created a beautiful bull flag over here, or maybe some kind of a falling wedge, of course. Excuse me, that's not a support line. Yeah, you can see over here, we created a falling wedge. This falling wedge, of course, broke out, already reached its price target. But is it too late to buy into us right now? If you're going to look, and is it right now a good time to buy, because we're seeing such a significant correction? And this significant correction of approximately 22% in just a matter of a day is likely. It's likely. And maybe you're saying, Rover, why you're saying it's likely? Look at the divergence that you're creating. Look at the huge momentum loss that you're creating. You always want to be looking at the momentum of a current coin and how it is looking. And right now, you can see over here, first of all, it was extremely overextended over there, 97 in the index. That's crazy overextend on the daily time frame. And look at the daily. We are seeing a clear loss of momentum getting generated while the price action is still increasing. This is showing that the buyers are losing their strength and interest to buy into AVEX. So yes, AVEX could be going potentially, once again going to say this, going to clear it out. It could be potentially go for another leg up here, but it is more likely to see a leg down getting created from here on, because the market is overextended, the buyers are running out of their steam, and maybe you could be starting to accumulate if you're going to see a very significant correction. If you're let's say, first of all, my accumulation for AVEX, if I will be probably not even buy it over here. Maybe I will be, of course, around this orange box, of course. But yeah, my accumulation will be probably starting around to 35 to 33 US dollars, because this has been proving itself as a very strong level of consolidation, previous resistance, previous support, but not over here. It's not smart to buy the top. It's never smart to buy the top, especially if you're seeing such a huge momentum loss getting generated. So yeah, make sure to use your mind while you're using and buying in towards coins here, because it's definitely not rocket science. It's definitely not rocket science to do your analysis on coins here. You just have to look at certain things here. You have to be looking at the current momentum on the trend here. You have to be looking on is it a parabolic or run-up or not. There are several things that you could be looking at. And of course, the more times you're going to do it, the better you're going to become at it. And it's just worth the time. It's worth the time to invest. Sorry, it's definitely worth the time to invest. Yeah, your time in towards doing your research on crypto analysis, etc. Because it's going to make you a lot of money, and it has been making me for myself as well. And right now, a lot of people are maybe asking me as well how old I am. I am right now almost 21 years old, but I right now live already on myself here in Dubai, and I've been, of course, making it all while trading and spot trading, leverage trading, all by it together. So it's definitely. I don't know what is my microphone doing. I mean, it's a very good microphone, but my wire is broken, I think. So I have to get a new one. But I mean, guys, it's definitely possible for all the people that are wondering it as well here. There are huge opportunities, and crypto is going to bring you these opportunities. So worth to check out. I know, guys. You guys, there's a little bit of a delay, but I see it right now on my second screen. I have my my OBS over here, and I see once my microphone falls away here, it gives me a pop-up. So yeah, I did saw it. I always try to fix this as soon as possible if these things happen. So thank you so much for letting me know. Of course, if we see these things happen, of course. You should be buying a new microphone. Everyone's saying it, but guys, look at this. I don't know if there's some professionals, but I literally don't know what it's doing. It's a good microphone, but it doesn't want to work. It doesn't want to work. To put towards, I mean, Jason Clark, that's a very nice donation from you, my friend. I mean, I don't know. Let me know, guys. Let me know in the chat. What is a very good mic that I can use for on road? So I mean, this is a good mic, right? But it's a Blue Yeti, the best Blue Yeti they told me. So let me know, because it's probably because of my MacBook, because it is still giving me a connection here, but it doesn't work. I don't know how. And make sure your cables are plugged in properly. Maybe it's that. I think it should be right here. Should be right. But I mean, yes, I'm more into technical analysis than working with this IT stuff. So excuse me for that, of course. Let me see. For sure, the mic is good. Yeah, I mean, it is good, but I don't know why it is so weird, of course. Jason Clark, that's way too nice from you, man. Thank you so much for your support of the nation, of course. Going again. I mean, there's probably a little bit of delay. Bluetooth, yeah, I could definitely do Bluetooth, but I think there will be a delay, and I don't like that. Is Bull Crypto Traders legit? I don't know what it is, my friend. I definitely don't know what it is. What's your Ethereum price target? I've been already going over it. Ethereum accumulation is going to be for me $2,900 towards $3,000 as well. Because of horizontal support. Should I accumulate Phantom around $1.10? I think still it's a pretty high price for accumulating Phantom. I'm going already all out of Phantom, but let me quickly look at the chart, how it is standing for it right now here. Is Phantom still looking good? That's a question I want to be asking myself right now. Yeah, sorry, Phantom as well. I went out of it, and I told it to everyone already. This is a parabolic run-up. I don't like to be a holder in a parabolic run-up, of course. So yeah, definitely very interesting what we saw here. Should you be buying around that level? I should be ready to look at the 90 cents range, man. 90 cents range is going to be strong. This is going to be strong level of accumulation. Maybe it could be taking several weeks, maybe a week from now on, but this is going to be my strongest amount place of accumulation for Phantom. I went all out over here, and I've, of course, once again, told it to everyone. I've sold a lot of crypto. Well, let's say past week here, because I was expecting a huge drop-off because the market was looking overextended. A lot of people call me crazy. A lot of people are not appreciating my opinion. But you can see once again, if you're not having a popular opinion, you're usually going to be the most profitable opinion. So that's the thing that I say to myself always. I don't really care if people disagree with me or agree with me, because yeah, I'm purely doing it for myself and sharing in the real time as well with you guys out there. So yeah, definitely exciting. Let me see. Have a look at PC drivers. I mean, we'll be doing it. XRP is an S coin of the decade. I totally disagree, man. I do think XRP is a good coin here. Let me go over XRP as well right now, because you guys really want me to talk about XRP. XRP right now is trading in the accumulation zones. I've been going over it. This orange box is basically, it's very simple. This orange box is for me accumulating for XP. Yeah, for sure. We could be see XRP dip below the orange box once again here, but this will be only signify for me more and more accumulation for XRP. So yeah, definitely huge opportunities right now in the market. Definitely huge opportunities in the market, and I can't wait to see. I can't wait to see if the market even going to start moving down further. Will be for me, of course, suggesting that I have to be buying even more. But if I'm setting up as well a Fibonacci from the swing high towards the swing low, you can see right now we're trading on the golden pocket entry. We're trading on the golden pocket entry, and like I have been saying several times here, the 0382 here is the best zone to buy here. And I think it's going to be very likely we're going to see something like this, golden pocket touch, and then we're starting to move us up again here. So yeah, this orange box is definitely accumulation zones for XRP. There could be a possibility, since I do expect Bitcoin can be seeing another minor move down here, and if Bitcoin is going to create another move down here, this could be resulting in, of course, another leg down for the XRP price action as well here. But in general speaking, and this is a good time to accumulate for XRP. It's definitely good times to accumulate. So as well, I see a donation here from NBX10X Street Workout. Thank you for tuning in once again, because I know you're true OG on this channel. You're saying, hey Rove, what are your thoughts on Polka Starter? I'm a big bull of the coin. I'm a big bull of the coin here, but let me go over it in a second here. So yeah, XRP is for me definitely right now the time to accumulate. Of course, it's still losing some value compared to Ethereum. It is right now trading still at critical support, and as well it's trading on the accumulation zones here. We're trading basically at accumulation zones as well. For compared to Bitcoin, it has been forming some kind of a wedge or so. Let me see what I could draw from this. So it looks to be that, of course, we're forming maybe some kind of an symmetrical triangle from here on, and of course in symmetrical triangles a continuation pattern. And since we created this leg towards the upside and then create this pattern, this could be for sure be a breakout towards the upside. And yeah, looking forward towards how this is going to end here, and you could be definitely look and see a lot of significance in this pattern. So yeah, we will be keeping our eyes out on this one, and can't wait to see where we're going to go towards here. So let me look quickly at Pulse, and definitely should be bullish on XRP here. XRP you should definitely be bullish on. So I mean, I bought Polkastar on the 12 cents range approximately. Let me go to the right chart, because I don't think I have the chart here, because I bought it on Uniswap, and of course it got listed on a lot of exchanges after it, but I don't know if I can see. No, I don't even have the exchange. It's not, they don't have even a chart where you could have been buying it around the 20 cent range here. But let me look at the chart with the most amount of significance for Polkastarter. Oh, this is a chart with a little bit of significance. So yeah, it was trading around the 12 cents here for a while here. Polkastarter is definitely a coin that you should be looking in towards. Definitely, I do think there will be another Polkadot hype here, and coins like Polkastarter are going to absolutely explode by them, in my opinion. So you have to know as well, Polkastarter, the project is not standing still, and once they are going to bring out maybe some new updates or whatsoever, the coin is probably absolutely going to go parabolic. And what coins are going to even make the most amount of gains here? These Polkastarter coins here. These coins built on the Polkadot ecosystem. So yeah, I'm accumulating, and right now it's definitely the times. It's undervalued, so Polkastarter is definitely a good project to look in towards. It could be literally give you an 8 to 10x here in the coming, let's say 10 weeks from now on or so, maybe the coming 12 weeks. So yeah, opportunity is high. Definitely love the project. Definitely think there's huge possibilities for huge amount of gains here. So yeah, looking forward towards it. It's just consolidating, my man. It's consolidating, and I personally do expect it's making itself ready for a major leg up here anytime soon here. And it's just going to be a matter of time till we're going to see this major leg here. So yeah, I did already make some good profits. I'm still holding it. I've been holding it since 12 cents here. Took some profits, not the exact top, but I did took some profits on this drop off down here. And right now I will be starting to buy back into Polkastarter once again here. So looking very exciting as well. The Azel donated to the channel. You're asking me, can you look at GRT? Let me quickly take a very quick look to GRT, because I want to be keeping my eyes on Bitcoin as well here. Well, Bitcoin is correcting ever so slightly right now still, guys. So if Bitcoin is not doing anything, I will be looking into your request here. So GRT, I definitely think GRT is as well good times to accumulate. You can see here, this is also pretty funny and pretty significant what we're seeing over here, because you can see over here. So on the left side, previous, let me see, my head is not in front of it. So yeah, you can see over here, the left side, right side right now. Yeah, the previous all-time providing the oh, the box is gone. Let me re-enable the box over here. So you can see previous Ultimate got rejected over here. While we were retesting this level, we got rejected again, like you can see. And right now we broke through of this orange box of resistance and we retested this level as support. And we could be starting to move up from, once again from off this point, in my opinion. So yeah, it looks very strong for GRT right now. These are once again the time that you want to be accumulating. Once no one is talking about the project, once a project is decreasing, once a project is so undervalued, like GRT is, it's definitely... an undervalued project in my opinion, because the project is very good here. And as soon as they are going to bring out some more announcements, and once again probably the price will be as well increased once again. So yeah, GRT, I've been holding as well GRT since 40 cents. I've bought this coin on Coinbase because I know it got launched somewhere over here on Coinbase, or before this pump over here. So it got launched on oh wait, this is the Coinbase chart. It got launched over here on the 17th of December. So I bought it somewhere over here after the hype, after the drop off. A lot of people call me crazy. Then of course it went to towards the $3 range approximately. $2.80. And right now, I definitely think you could be starting to accumulate once again here. Easy 3x is going to be made from this coin, in my opinion. So, like everyone was talking about AVEX, etc., you could be definitely better buying towards GRT, in my opinion, than AVEX right now, because GRT is about to explode and AVEX already exploded. So this looks like a very good coin that you could be holding on your balance sheet right now. So yeah, trading around 83 cents here. It's definitely not a bad time to accumulate. It's trading against the previous resistance of the all-time right now, testing it as support. So yeah, if you're talking about is this a good time to accumulate? Yes, for sure. This is definitely a very strong time to accumulate right now here, and it's going to be a major opportunity. Thank you so much. No problem. Thank you so much. No problem. I love it. And guys, unfortunately, the stream today can't be that long like usual because I have still got an appointment later today. So guys, in the meantime, make sure to smash up likes here. Will be truly amazing. And we are almost closing in towards the 59.6k. So that's crazy, guys. That's absolutely crazy if we could reach it today. Guys, make sure to smash it up right now here. Make sure to smash up the subscribe button right now here. We're only 33 away from it right now. So make sure to smash it up if you're new to the channel. As well, don't forget to hit the like button. Let me quickly check on how much likes we got on the stream. We got 522 likes, guys. That's crazy. Thank you so much for smashing it up. Of course, only taking a few seconds over time, and you will be supporting the channel by far. So, let me see. Oh, I see that I got another miner deposit here on my... right now, I got the 0.98 Bitcoin here on my BYBIT account. I have to deposit another 0.2. I thought I deposited enough, but I don't deposit enough, unfortunately. I wanted to deposit exactly 1 Bitcoin, so I have 1 Bitcoin on this account because I will be doing this trading challenge from 1 towards 2 Bitcoin. So yeah, you could be still join me here. Guys, make sure to sign up with the link in the description. Highest link in the description. You could be signing up with BYBIT right now here. You could be joining me with the swing trade position. Of course, if you want to be staying up to date about the trades that I'm taking here, as well, go towards the link in the description and follow me on Twitter at RoverCRC. You will be, of course, getting notified once I'm opening a trade or doing anything because, yeah, I have an appointment in, let's say, approximately 1 hour from now on. And, of course, I will be not live by then. But if the market starts to decrease and I will be doing anything with my trade, I will be keeping you guys up to date on Twitter. So if I'm not able to live stream or if I'm not able to make a video, I will be keeping you guys up to date on Twitter. So make sure to follow me as well on Twitter. And if you want to be seeing some more lifestyle stuff, you should be going to Instagram. And of course, Instagram is as well find in the link in the description. The third highest link in the description, you could be finding my Instagram. Will be truly amazing if you're going to hit the follow button over there as well. It is at CryptoRoverYT. I definitely want to hit the 10,000 followers, guys. We're growing with, let's say, 50 to 60 followers on Instagram every single day here. So yeah, if you're interested in my lifestyle and what I'm doing here right now and how I just basically live here, make sure to follow me on Instagram here. Will be truly amazing if you're going to do it. I want to be definitely reach the 10,000 followers over here. So yeah, you will be helping me out if you're going to smash it up over there as well. So let me see. Rover, where are you from? I'm from the Netherlands. I'm from the Netherlands, if you're wondering. It's a very nice country, but right now I don't live there anymore. But I visit, let's say, the Netherlands at least every month approximately. So I'm there still quite a lot, but I don't live there anymore. I live right now all over now. Basically, probably I'm going to settle in Spain for the people that are wondering. So let me see. Rover, did you see Max? Yeah, of course I did. I was crying, especially because of the grid penalty. I'm crying, man. Smash that like button. That's completely true here. Vida La Social. That's completely true. Make sure to smash it up, guys. Will be truly amazing. Bitcoin, in the meantime, still not doing a lot of action, not showing a lot of action. And guys, by the way, here, yesterday as well on these pumps here, what was pretty interesting to see. If you're going to enable the volume, let me see if all the indicators right now pop up here. But let me enable the volume real quickly. It's not popping up. It is popping up right now. So yeah, what you can see over here, and let me make it a new panel below. And let me discuss this real quick. Oh, this is the wrong chart. Let me go to the right chart. Let me go to the binance chart over here. Actually, what you can basically see here is that I'm really seeing a lack of volume on these pumps that we are creating over here. So it looks to be that there's a lot of manipulation going around over here. So of course, on the drop-offs, we're seeing more volume getting entered than these pumps here. But basically, all these drop-offs and these moves over here are pretty low volume. So a lot of people are standing on the sidelines right now here. And personally, I do think the volume will be really kicking in here as soon as we're going to go towards that 42K range here. Because there will be, of course, a lot of accumulation and selling going around. Buying and selling going around here. So there will be probably... we will be seeing huge amounts of volatility. So yeah, looking forward towards that range here. So let me see. Let me see. I'm also Netherlands. Oh, nice, man. Thank you so much for tuning in. Truly amazing. And of course, if you want to be coming in contact with me, I try to, of course, check out a lot of your requests here, but make sure to send me just a DM here on Instagram. Will be truly amazing. Bitcoin bullish divergence. I mean, yes, we are creating right now a bullish divergence on the 4-hourly candles, guys. I have been already going over this. So yeah, if you go basically to the Bitcoin chart here on the 4-hourly candles and you enable the momentum indicators right now, yeah, you can clearly see Bitcoin has been creating a bullish divergence. And let me correctly set this up here. Oh, excuse me. Let me remove some lines over here. And yeah, you can see clearly. And right now, I want to be as well go over the MACD because I'm seeing something interesting right now here. But you can see Bitcoin higher low getting created here, a lower low in the price section, bullish divergence getting created. But it looks to be that it could be getting invalidated in the coming minutes right now. So that's, of course, a thing that you should be paying your attention towards. But guys, look at this. Bitcoin was not, of course, only forming a hidden bearish divergence as well on the RSI, but as well it was forming one here on the MACD. Second of all, guys, what we're right now seeing on the MACD is something very interesting. On the 4-hourly candles, we are seeing a bearish crossover getting generated. We are seeing these momentum lines here, these basically these trend lines, what are indicating the momentum currently on Bitcoin. They are crossing bearish once again here. So is this going to be the next leg down that we're going to create here? That is going to be, of course, the real question. It looks to be that we're still recovering because we are still, of course, forming this trend line is still basing towards the upside. So yeah, we are recovering right now, but it could be for sure yeah, start to move the market down once again here. But what I was just talking about, the hidden bearish divergence, was, of course, we were seeing the momentum increase as well on the MACD, while the price action was still decreasing. So this is basically hidden bearish divergence, and we were not only seeing it on the MACD, it was as well telling us the same story on the RSI. So yeah, we were basically seeing a huge momentum loss getting generated. We, of course, already warned you guys about it here yesterday on the channel, because I was telling to everyone, okay, this is not looking extremely strong here, because Bitcoin looks to be forming, of course, yeah, a momentum loss. It looks to be that the momentum, of course, is still increasing while the price action is forming a lower high. This looks to be, of course, a clear hidden bearish divergence, and such a divergence is always going to result in a pullback. And yeah, that is also exactly what we predicted and exactly what came out as well here. And if you don't know it yet here, we, of course, discussed it yesterday in a 7-minute update. So yeah, guys, if you want to be right now, not miss out on this next update, because once I'm heading out right now today, I will be bringing out another update video once I come home here. So yeah, make sure to smash up the subscribe button right now here and the bell notification, so you're definitely not going to miss out on that update video, of course. So would be truly amazing. So let's see if we could be as well reach the 59.6k live in the stream. Would be truly amazing, of course. But guys, I don't think we're going to reach it, because right now I have to head out in 10 minutes. So I will be wrapping up the stream right now here, guys. It was truly, once again, an amazing stream that we did together. I promise you, I will be back tomorrow at least with a longer stream, because tomorrow I have more time. And today is a very yeah, busy day for me, basically. So yeah, I will be back tomorrow with a new live stream here, of course. I will be as well go over the market once again here. I will be okay, excuse me. I don't want to be. I want to be lifting off my my microphone, but I don't want to be doing that, because then my wires get disconnected. Oh my god. But guys, thank you so much once again for tuning into this amazing stream here. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description right now here. You can be finding, of course, BYBIT. You could be finding my Instagram. You could be finding my my Twitter page over there to stay up to date about the market. Thank you so much, guys, once again for tuning into this amazing stream. And we'll catch you guys on the next update video later on my channel. Peace out.